Just think about that banana taped to a wall that people paid a whopping $120,000 for. Crazy, right? But here's the deal, not everything expensive is actually worth the money. We made an earlier video to prove this point. However, there are certain things that really are worth the splurge. Imagine you become super rich one day. You'd want to know where it's smart to spend your money, right? Well, check out this list of 12 expensive things that are totally worth every penny. Welcome to top-tier success, your ultimate destination for business, investing, and self-development. Our mission is to guide you towards financial freedom and living life on your own terms. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on valuable insights that could truly transform your life. Number 1. Travel experiences. Travel is one of those rare things that enriches you with every dollar you spend. The more you invest, the farther you can explore from your comfort zone. Just pause and think about it, there are parts of the world that can transform you if you get to experience them. However, money is often the only barrier between you and these life-changing encounters. The beauty of travel lies in the stories it gives you to share. Stories are valuable treasures you carry with you and exchange with others. There are various levels of travel experiences, from taking a train to a distant city for a week-long journey, to embarking on a cross-country road trip and connecting with people along the way. Then there's something like the MSC World Tour, a 120-day cruise visiting 56 beautiful locations. While this type of trip can start around $13,000 per person, the experience of seeing the world and gathering stories makes it priceless. Additionally, for those with substantial resources, options like the Amman Grandest Tour, $160,000 per person for 21 days, or exclusive ultra-luxury experiences like Amman's Private Jet Tour, around $300,000 for 21 days, allow for truly unparalleled journeys, sometimes shared with other like-minded individuals. Number 2. Having your own chef. Even if you enjoy cooking, having a private chef can be a game-changer if you can afford it. Right now, you might find it a daily struggle to decide what to eat. Even with the best intentions, convenience often wins, and you end up ordering takeout for the sake of speed. A private chef typically costs between $250 and $500 per week, not counting groceries. But think about the benefits. They handle all the meal planning and cooking for your entire family. You get to savor delicious, healthy meals that align with your goals. Your palate expands as you try new foods you wouldn't normally prepare. Plus, you save time on cooking, grocery shopping, and avoiding food wastage. It's an investment in your health and time that pays off immediately. Number 3. Executive coaching. Picture this, you've achieved some success, but then you hit a plateau. It's common when you're the boss, the self-motivated leader pushing your business forward. This works fine in the short term, but as time goes on, you start realizing the gaps in your knowledge and the inefficiencies in your approach. The price you pay for not knowing what you don't know can be steep. The difference between where you are now and hitting those high revenue goals often boils down to lacking certain key insights. Executive coaches are professionals that specialize in propelling CEOs forward based on their own experience. A good executive coach, averaging around $50,000 a year, becomes your mentor, holding you accountable and guiding you with their expertise. The investment is well worth it, and it's the kind of support that can drastically accelerate your growth. Number 4. Living in a better area with a view. Choosing where you live is a big deal, maybe even the biggest. It shapes your life in ways you might not realize. Who you end up with, what matters to you, your daily routines, and even how long you're likely to live. Living in a better country, city, or zip code can seriously improve your overall quality of life. And if you have kids, one of the best things you can do for their future is to move to a better neighborhood. Also, don't underestimate the power of a view from your home. What you see outside your window can significantly impact your mental state. So, when it comes to buying a property, consider investing a bit more for a view. You'll be spending a lot of time there, so it's worth it. Number 5. Premium flying options, business class and private jets. For flights surpassing 4 hours, flying business class can be a game changer for your comfort. Your body will thank you. If the flight is under 4 hours and you need the convenience of flying on your schedule, private jets become a viable option. As your income and net worth reach certain levels, your perspective on time shifts. If you still consider business class or private jets as expensive, you're not quite there yet. Just to provide some context, chartering a private jet comes with an hourly cost of around $12,000. And for some, that's an investment to be back home with family after closing a significant deal. Number 6. In-home nanny. When you've got more than one child, you understand the incredible value of having some extra hands around the house. While having a grandparent pitch in might seem like a solution, hiring professional help takes things to a whole new level. A nanny brings a level of expertise and efficiency that can't be beaten. They understand the ins and outs of caring for children and can manage tasks efficiently, all while ensuring your requests are met. The nanny doesn't replace your role as a parent, but they can be like the CEO of your household when it comes to taking care of the kids. This means they solve issues and keep things running smoothly, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. The cost for this service typically falls between $20,000 to $30,000 per year. Number 7. Premium gym membership. Gyms and coffee shops aren't just places to sweat or sip, they're adult social hubs. Let's break it down. In any city, you have 3 tiers. First, the budget options, often frequented by students and blue-collar workers. Next, the standard spots with reasonable prices and big chain vibes. And then, the top-tier gems found in upscale areas, where you'll encounter exquisite offerings like specialty coffee with a price tag that could pay for a semester at university. If you're looking to connect with folks whose lifestyles align with yours, consider investing in premium gym memberships or exclusive coffee shops. These places elevate your experience, cleaner, friendlier, more luxurious. And the people you meet there often match that vibe. It's a step towards a more refined social circle. Number 8. High-end cars and exclusive memberships. In your youth, you might not fully comprehend why people spend vast sums on luxury cars. However, as you gain financial insight, a different truth emerges. Expensive cars act as keys to private membership clubs. Owning a supercar isn't just about driving fast or impressing others, it's your ticket to exclusive circles. Luxury car brands often organize events and networking opportunities for their owners. It's similar to buying access to a private network rather than just a mode of transportation. Experiences like the European Gumball 3000 Rally, costing around $50,000 per car to join, provide an immersive journey for supercar owners. These events offer much more than meets the eye, providing invaluable networking and business opportunities. While these experiences might appear extravagant to some, those who can afford them often find them immeasurably valuable. Number 9. Quality clothing and footwear. Life is spent either in bed, on a chair, or on your feet. Thus, it's wise to invest in all 3 areas. For those who stand all day, brands like Hoka Clifton 9s, New Balance foams, and even Yeezys offer both comfort and style. This philosophy extends to your entire wardrobe. Remember the saying, you buy cheap, you buy twice. Lower quality items tend to have a shorter lifespan, leading to more frequent replacements. A useful principle when shopping is considering the cost per wear. If you spend $60 on a pair of shoes you only wear twice, the cost per wear is $30. However, if you invest $150 in a quality pair and wear them 10 times, the cost per wear drops to $15. This rationale justifies spending more on items that you'll use repeatedly, like a Burberry trench coat that you'll enjoy for years. Quality pieces often provide more enjoyment, but be cautious of luxury goods that don't see much use. Recognizing the value per wear transforms your shopping approach. Number 10. Cosmetic enhancements and fixing insecurities. Here's something we've mentioned before that might stir some controversy. If you've been living with an insecurity like a prominent nose, a noticeable mole, or misaligned teeth and you're in a position to afford a fix, it could be worth considering. The boost to your self-esteem can be remarkable. We've met people who rarely smiled in photos due to dental issues until they got veneers. While these enhancements might come with a price tag and aren't permanent, the moment you make that investment, You might find it's one of the most worthwhile expenditures of $10,000 to $20,000. Remember, it's about what empowers you, not conforming to society's ideals or anyone else's expectations. Number 11. Good divorce lawyer, accountant, therapist. Certain professionals are worth every penny. And these include doctors, lawyers, accountants, and yes, even tattoo artists. Cutting corners with them can lead to long-term damage that far outweighs the initial cost. Divorces are rarely pleasant and can come with hefty financial burdens. That's when you need the best legal minds fighting to protect your finances. When it comes to accounting services, a skilled accountant can provide returns that far exceed what you pay them. And let's not forget therapists. The last thing you want is someone who lacks the expertise needed to guide you toward positive change. Look for those who have your best interests at heart, not just those aiming to keep you coming back indefinitely. Number 12. Premium mattress and bedding. Think about it, you spend roughly 8 hours each day in your bed. Now, how many people do you think wake up genuinely refreshed? Unfortunately, it's less than 1 in 3. Around 65% report not feeling well rested every day. If you're having trouble falling asleep or waking up with discomfort, consider re-evaluating your sleep setup. Begin with a good mattress and invest in a quality pillow, maybe one of the pricier options from IKEA. And if you can afford to, splurge on high thread count bed linens. Here's a little insider tip. You can actually purchase the exact sets used in the most luxurious hotel rooms from Four Seasons. The price might seem steep, but a premium mattress can range from $4,000 to $6,000 for a king-sized bed. While a full set including pillows and other essentials might cost around $7,200. If you already have a good mattress, consider spending between $200 and $400 on high thread count sheets with over 1,200 thread count, and feel your body thank you each day. And since you're still with us watching, let's share a special bonus with just the select few still with us. Number 13. Fulfilling your bucket list. It's about crossing off items from your bucket list. Have you ever written down your bucket list, not just mentally, but on an actual piece of paper? If not, it's time to give it a try. Your bucket list consists of those experiences you'd love to have in your lifetime, along with the estimated costs associated with them. Take a pen and paper, jot down all those things you believe would add an extraordinary sparkle to your life. This isn't about career goals like becoming a billionaire, it's about those unique, memorable moments. Perhaps it's watching the aurora borealis, fully paid, or surprising your parents with a ride in a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Maybe it's meeting Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson or trying out some of the experiences we've discussed in this video. Your bucket list is deeply personal, so you know it best. But the key is to put it in writing. When you look at that list, recognize that there's a version of your life where all these dreams are not only achievable, but can lead to even greater experiences. As you come across new exciting things, add them to the list. Now, make a promise to yourself. Promise that you won't leave this world with unchecked items on that list. After all, you're not watching these motivational videos for nothing. You're here because you're genuinely determined to seize life's opportunities. If you've made that promise to yourself, write the word "I promise" in the comments below. Let's hold ourselves accountable together. Return to this video when you achieve your first bucket list item. We can't wait to hear about your incredible journey.